Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we help you find the best picks for every occasion. Today, we're diving into what just might be the best cocktail dress elegant evening party outfit on the market right now. Say hello to the ZAFUL Women's Velvet Sleeveless Ruched Bodycon midi dress in navy. A piece that blends sophistication with comfort in the most stylish way possible. At first glance, this dress demands your attention. It's crafted from a plush, luxurious velvet that catches the light with a soft shimmer. The rich navy hue adds a regal depth, making it a standout choice for cocktail parties, weddings, formal dinners, or any event where you want to turn heads. It's a color that complements almost every skin tone and brings a touch of timeless elegance to your wardrobe. Now let's talk design. This isn't your average bodycon dress. ZAFUL has done an amazing job creating a flattering silhouette that enhances your natural shape. The ruched detailing along the sides is more than just decorative. It works to contour your waistline and create a slimming effect. Add to that the wrap-style skirt with a subtle slit, and you've got a dress that moves with you, flatters your figure, and gives you just the right amount of sass. Sleeveless and fitted, this midi dress is both structured and comfortable. The material has a gentle stretch to it, which means you don't have to sacrifice comfort for style. You can actually sit, dance, and breathe easily, a rare combo when it comes to formal wear. That stretchy velvet hugs you in all the right places, offering a snug but flexible fit. Whether you're twirling on the dance floor or mingling with guests, this dress has your back. What really sets it apart is how versatile it is. While it's clearly perfect for a winter wedding or evening soiree, it's also a go-to piece for holiday parties, date nights, or even vacation dinners. Dress it up with heels and statement earrings, or go more minimal with strappy sandals and a sleek clutch. It adapts to your style effortlessly. Let's not forget the midi length. It strikes the perfect balance between classy and sexy. It's modest enough for formal events but still daring enough to make you feel confident and glamorous. The slit adds that hint of drama without being over the top. It's tasteful, yet playful. Exactly what you want when you're stepping into a room and making a statement. It's easy to care for. While it looks and feels like high-end velvet, this dress is surprisingly low maintenance. Just be sure to follow the label instructions, and you'll have a piece that lasts you through many seasons and celebrations. If you're on the hunt for a dress that looks expensive, feels amazing, and performs beautifully across different occasions, the ZAFUL Velvet Ruched Bodycon midi dress is a serious contender. It's the kind of piece that makes you feel put together the moment you slip it on. Elegant, sleek, and ready to party, all in one. That wraps up our review here on Product Critique. If you're looking for a cocktail dress that delivers on every front, from fit to fabric to flair, this might just be the one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more product deep dives that help you shop smarter and look your best.